Hey guys, I'm out here in my shop and I thought I would show you how I make some fretboards for cigar box guitars. I've got a little fixture made here where I can fasten it down with these clamps, and then all I do is take one of these little fretboards that I've cut to the right size that I want, and I can put them in this fixture. Make sure that it's I got a little block of wood here that I push up against it. And then basically the first step to doing these, as you can see, I'm just taking a little 1/4 inch diameter 60-degree V-bit, and I'm using that to put the locations for the frets on here. And all it's doing is putting just a small indentation here, a little V-groove. I hope you can pick that up on the camera. But it's just enough to where I can locate my fret saw to finish doing this, to make the frets, the slot for the frets. All I want to do is use the CNC to get the accuracy of the CNC to get these perfectly spaced, and it works out great. So I'm going to fire this up, and you can see how this one cuts here. Okay, so after it cuts the little frets locations, I can loosen this little block on the end, and notice my fixture is still clamped, and got another one cut, or at least the slot's cut, and then I can put this other one in. Basically what I'm doing is fitting in this tight little pocket here, shoving it up against the stop here, making sure it's pressed all the way down, put my little stop block back here. And there I go. I'm ready to cut another one. Okay, now that I've got all three of my fretboards, I have use the V-groove bit to cut the fret locations. I've now changed my bit out, and I've got just an 1/8 inch end mill here, and I'm going to use that to mark the fret marker locations. So I'll fire that up, and we'll watch that cut. Okay, so now and all I'm doing is going down about 60 thousandths just to mark the location, and I just mark it because I don't know for sure yet how I'm going to do the fret markers. I may drill this all the way through and use a dowel of a different type of wood. I've done that before. But anyway, now you can see it's got the 3rd, 5th, 7th, 9th, 12th, you know, marking all these fret marker locations, and you get, once again, you get the accuracy of the CNC, so it's puts them in there really nice, exactly where they need to be. And again, I can do, since I've already got 3 of them cut, I can just move this up, press this back down in my little fixture here, take my block it up on the end, and I'm ready to cut another one. Okay, and then finally, I like to use a 1/4 inch threaded rod as my nut. So what I've done is I've just changed this bit out and put a 1/4 inch core box bit, or like kind of like a ball nose bit, and it will come up here and cut a slot or a little saddle like this, perfect for the 1/4 inch 1/4 threaded rod that I use for the nut. So we're going to fire that up and cut that real quick. Okay, so there you have it. I've got all 3 of my little fretboards made. These are 24 3/4 scale. There you can see I put that nice little, just a little groove there for the 1/4 20 threaded rod to set in. Makes a perfect nut. And these are all these fret marks are based off the center line of that, which will be where the wire sits, or the string set as it goes down. But anyway, you can see it just makes it really easy. You can use this fixture, run it, get your fretboards cut to size, and you can sit here and make as many of them as you want, and they'll all be exactly the same. So really nice to having a CNC to do this.